Hello everyone. Next important question in electric current chapter, question number 11 is deducing the expression for equivalent resistance when resistors are connected in parallel. It is also very important question. So in parallel connection of resistors, there is same potential difference at the ends of each resistor. In parallel connection of resistors, there is same potential difference at the ends of the resistors. Then potential difference is taken as potential difference is V for this parallel connection of resistors. And we all know according to Ohm's law, V is equal to I R. This is the Ohm's law formula. V is equal to I R is a direct formula. From this formula we have to derive that here I is multiplying, or if we send this resistance this side it will divide. So I is equal to V by R. In this way we can write. By using this Ohm's law, the current I1 through resistance R1 is the current I1 through the resistance R1 is given by I1 is equal to, already we said, potential difference is same at the ends of the conductor, that is V by R1. The current through R1 resistance is V by R1. Next, the current I2 through the resistance R2. The current I2 through the resistor R2 is given by I2 is equal to V by R2. And in a similar way, the current I3 through R3 is given by I3 is equal to V by R3. V by R3. So here with the help of the circuit we are writing the current formula, that is current passing through the resistance R1 is V by R1. Current passing through the resistor R2 is given by V by R2. Current passing through the resistor R3 is V by R3. Okay. Let R will be the equivalent resistance. Let R will be the equivalent resistance of the resistors connected in parallel, and also I is equal to V by R equivalence. Okay. Let R be the equivalent resistance when resistors are connected in parallel, and also I is equal to V by R equivalence, and we can consider I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. We already know here from Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R equivalence. I is equal to, in the place of I is equal to V by R equivalence. What is the value of I1? I1 value is V by R1 plus I2 value is V by R2 plus I3 value is V by R3. Okay. By substituting the current I1, I2 and I3 values in this equation, on left hand side and right hand side, V is common, that is potential difference. If right side we take V common, 1 by R equivalence, sorry, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So left hand side and right hand side potential difference V gets cancelled, and finally we get 1 by R equivalence is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the relation for equivalent resistance when resistors are connected in parallel. The first situation is when the resistors are connected in parallel, the potential difference is same at the ends of the conductor. So that we take potential difference as V, and by using Ohm's law we can get formulas for I1, that means current I1 through resistance R1 is I1 is equal to V by R1, and current through the resistor, second resistor R2 is I2 is equal to V by R2, and current passing through the resistor 3 R3 is given by V by R3. By substituting these values in the above equation, I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, and by taking common that potential difference, by cancelling we get the final expression, that is 1 by R equivalence is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. It is also very important, please go through this first.